How to log in to Capital One auto loan account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get logged into your Capital One auto loan account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Open up any of your web application from your PC, then at the top search bar, type in Capital One auto loan login. As you do so, you will see auto financing by Capital One. Click onto that link. Here, scroll below and under New and Used Auto Financing, click on Get Pre-Qualified. At this page, scroll below, and as you are already a Capital One customer, click on I'm already a Capital One customer. Then you will get landed onto this sign in page. In here, simply type in your username. Once done, type in your password. In case you would like to remember your username for this site, check the box that says Remember Me. Once you do all that, click on to sign in. And just in case you have forgotten your username or password, click onto this link and get help resetting your account. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.